In this video, we will learn the steps to create and process a shipment. To create a new shipment, I'm going to go to the shipping menu. There are two ways to create a shipment, either create a single shipment or create multiple shipments at once. To create a shipment, I hit Create Shipment. This will open up a fresh Create Shipment form. First, we have two options for the shipping prefix, either based on the prefix already configured in the setting or set the prefix based on the country code. For the agency field, I'll choose Deprixa Miami. Then we have Office of Origin field. I'll choose Deprixa Group. Let's move on to the next field, which is Sender Customer. I will select any customer like Seaways International and select one of this customer's address. Next up we have the Recipient Customer field, which allows us to select one of the customer's recipients. Moving on, I'll select one of this recipient's addresses in the Recipient Address field. Next up is the Assign Driver field. We can assign a driver to transport this shipment. However, I only want to assign after this shipment's invoice has been paid, so I will ignore this field for now. Next up we have the Currency field, which allows us to select the currency for this shipment. If the selected currency is not the base currency, then the exchange rate is displayed in the Currency Rate field. This rate is taken from the currency rate setting. The price of the shipment will be automatically converted to the selected currency, and this currency will be used to calculate the shipment. Next, we will attach one or more image or PDF to this shipment if needed. Okay. Let's start the most important part of the shipment, which is entering the information into the package information. The shipment can be created by manually entering the information or selecting an existing invoice. Invoice will be displayed based on the selected sender. You can also add a package line for this shipment by clicking Add Box or Packages. Next, we enter the necessary information such as amount, weight, length, width, height. The Weight Volume column will automatically calculate based on length, width, height and volume percentage, in which volume percentage is taken from taxes setting. Next up we have the Fixed Charge and Deck Value fields. These are two optional fields. But if clicked, they will be used to calculate the total of the shipment. Continue filling in data for the remaining lines in package information. Next, in the Rate and Taxes Information section, we can update the data of the fields in this section and enter data in the Value Assured, Discount and Reissue fields if needed. Finally, click Save to complete. If the shipment is created from an invoice, the invoice number will be displayed in the Invoice Status column. If a shipment is not created from an invoice, the Action column will display the Create Invoice button. In addition, you can also create multiple shipments for customers by pressing the Create Multiple Shipment button. This will open up a fresh Create Multiple Shipment form. We enter sender and shipping information just like creating a shipment. Next, we manually enter package information into the amount, package description, weight, length, width, height, fixed charge and deck value fields. Click Add Box or Packages to add and enter data for multiple package lines. Each line will be used to create a shipment. For example, if there are 3 lines, 3 shipment will be created. Review the information in the Rates and Taxes Information section and enter Discount, Value Assured, and Reissue as needed. Then click Save to complete. The system creates 3 shipments: AWB 000025, AWB 000026, and AWB 000027. We have completed the shipment creation step. Next, we continue the shipment processing steps. First, we need to determine whether this shipment has any related invoice or not. If there is no invoice, click the Create Invoice button in the Action column. An invoice will be automatically created. This will open up an Update Invoice form. The shipment's tracking will be displayed in the Item column and the Rate column will display the total of the shipment. Here I want the customer to pay by himself, so I will select some online payment methods in the Allowed Payment Mode field. We can update other information of the invoice such as due date, sale agent, project and other custom fields if needed. Then click Save to complete the update. After the invoice is successfully created, we can ask the customer to pay the invoice online, or you can also receive money and create payment for the customer. For the customer to pay the invoice themselves, the customer will need to log in to the customer portal. Then selects the Invoices menu, or select the Logistic menu, then select the Shipping menu. Find and click on the invoice that needs to be paid. The system redirects to the invoice detail page. Scroll to the bottom of the invoice page and select one of the online payment methods, then clicks Pay Now to pay. Enter card information and click Pay. And this invoice has been paid successfully. Go back to the Shipping menu in the Admin portal. We come to the next step in the shipment processing, which is Assign Driver. I hit Assign Driver button and select the appropriate driver and press Update. Next step. Use the Admin portal link and log in with the driver account. Go to the Shipping menu and proceed to create shipment tracking logs by time and location and create delivery note to complete the shipment. Go to Shipment Details. Select Actions on the right corner of the screen and select Shipment Tracking. This will open up in Shipment Tracking form. We will select a new location, enter a city or address, select an office, then select the shipping status of the shipment, change the tracking time if needed, and finally enter the message for the shipment. Then click Save to confirm creating the shipment tracking. The status of the shipment is also updated according to the shipping status selected in Shipment Tracking. Shipment tracking will be recorded in Tracking History and User Action History. We can create multiple shipment tracking for a shipment to record the current location and status of the shipment. When the shipment arrives at the customer, I will create a receipt by hitting Delivery the shipment. This will open up a delivery shipment form. I will select the delivery time, enter the recipient's name, select the driver who is delivering, take a photo of the delivery and upload it to this delivery shipment. If there are any notes for the delivery shipment, enter them in the note field. Then, give it to the recipient to sign this delivery shipment. The recipient will sign in the signature box and click Sign to save the signature. Finally, click Save to confirm the successful delivery and change the status of the shipment to Delivered. Customers can also track the location and delivery status as well as delivery information and images in the shipment details. In addition, customers can also export shipment and export label.